Good morning, students. Last time we have seen how to do the division and convert the rational number into the decimal form. Today we are going to see the rules for simplifying an expressions. Okay. So if many operations are there in one example, then how to solve, for that some rules are there. So what is the first rule? First rule is first multiplication and division are carried out. If more than two operations are there, then left to right which come first, that you have to solve. Okay. So first you have to solve the multiplication and division. What is the second rule? Second rule is the addition and subtractions are carried out from left to right. Means when you complete the multiplication and division, then you will go for the addition and subtraction. Only four operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here what is the rule? Multiplication, division should be solved first, and then addition and subtraction should be solved. But sometime you will have the brackets also. So how to solve with the brackets? So bracket should be solved first before the multiplication and division, but which is the innermost bracket, that should be solved first. Okay. So how to remember this one? For that, no, a very easy method is there. It is called BODMAS. What is BODMAS? B means a bracket. B indicates for the bracket. O is of. That you'll understand afterwards. That I'll explain you afterwards. D is a division. M is a multiplication. A is addition and subtraction. S is a subtraction. So first you should solve the bracket. Then it is just off means what? 5% of 300 or something like that. That you are not going to solve this year. Next year you have to solve. Okay. Then the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. For our understanding, we can start like this. Bracket should be solved first. If off is there, then we'll see. But most probably this year you are not having. Division and multiplication should be solved according to left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, we'll solve some examples. From that you can understand how to solve this one. So continue with the examples. First one, 80 divided by, inside the bracket, 15 plus 8 minus 3 bracket close plus 5. To solve this, division, addition, subtraction and brackets are there. How many operations are there, that you should understand. For that I have written here. Okay, so here it is division, here is a bracket, addition, subtraction. Means all things are there if you see it properly. Multiplication only is not there. So how to solve? Which should be solved first? Bracket should be solved first. But in bracket also, addition and subtraction, both things are there. So which come first from left to right, that should be solved. Here I have done the underlining for that. So which should be solved first? That 15 plus 8 should be solved first, right? So here the question starts. 80 divided by, inside the bracket, 15 plus 8 minus 3 bracket complete plus 5. So 15 plus 8, how much is the answer? That is 23. Okay, so 80 divided by 23 minus 3 bracket complete, sorry, bracket, inside the bracket it is there, plus 5. So 80 divided by, what is the value of 20 minus 3? Because bracket should be solved first. So 20 plus 5. Now two operations are there. First one is a division and second one is a addition. Okay. So normally what student will do, they do the addition first, but actually what is the rule? According to rule, divisions, multiplication should be solved first and then you have to solve the addition. So which operation should be done first? That is 80 divided by 20 should be done first, and then the addition. So 80 divided by 20, what is answer? That is the 4. 4 plus 5, that answer will give me the 8. Understood? Now we'll see the next question. So we'll solve the second question. What is the second question? 72 divided by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2. What operations are there? Here is a division, addition and multiplication. We know which should be solved first, division and multiplication. But if you see from left to right, which comes first? That is the division. 72 divided by 6. Okay. So this division should be solved first. So 72 divided by 6, what is the answer? 12. Plus 2 and multiplied by 2, it remains as it is. Okay. Then here is addition, here is multiplication. So which should be solved first? You should not solve 12 plus 2 multiplied by 2. No. You should solve 2 multiplied by 2 first. So underline is there. So whenever you are also solving, no, just underline so that you can understand which should be solved first. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Right? Another one example we will solve here. 13 multiplied by 4, it is in the bracket, divided by 2 minus 26. Okay. It is very easy. This is in the bracket, so you should solve first this one. So 30 multiplied by 4 is 52. Then divided by 2 minus 26. So now what you have to do first? You cannot solve this first, because division should be solved first. So this is the answer. 52 divided by 2 is 26, minus 26 is 0. But by mistake, if you miss out the bracket and bracket is somewhere else, then you will get a different answer. For that, I am going to solve this example with the different brackets. Okay. 13 multiplied by 4, this is in one bracket, divided by 2 minus 26. This is also in the bracket. Here you can find out bracket is not there. Here I have put the brackets. Now the answer is not going to change. 52, and you have to solve this bracket also. The answer is minus 24. Minus 52 divided by 52 divided by minus 24. That if you divide this both numbers by 2, you will get 26 divided by minus 12. And if you divide again by 2, you will get 13 divided by minus 6. So this is the answer. So if you miss out any bracket, what the answers are changing? I hope you can understand. Now we'll go for the bigger one. Okay. So next question. 140. This is from the textbook. For your understanding, I am solving this one. 140 divided by, inside the bracket, minus 11 multiplied by minus 3 minus 42 minus of minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1 bracket close. Many brackets are there, and different operations are there. Here division is there, here multiplication is there, here subtraction is there, again division is there, and subtraction is there. Okay. So inside whichever the innermost bracket is there, that you should solve first. So which is this one? This is the bracket. So I am going to solve this one. What is the answer? This is minus, and minus will give me plus. This will remain as it is. After that, which should be solved first? So this should be solved first. 42 divided by 14 should be solved first. So 140 divided by 33 minus of minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So 140 divided by 33 plus 3, because minus of minus is plus. So 33 plus 3 minus 1, that will give me 36 minus 1, and 35 will be the answer. So till here we have solved the brackets itself. And then we are having 140 divided by 35. If you divide this one, you will get direct answer as a 4. Okay. When you complete like this question, no, you have to write down the answer in this way. Because you have started with the question, this one. 140 inside the bracket and whatever. Then you have to write down the question, and next to that you have to write down the answers also. Clear? Now we'll solve the next one. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 divided by 6 by 4. Now this question is very different one. But if you think properly, which operations are there? Two operations are there. Addition and division. So which should be solved first? Division. Right? So division, take the reciprocal of this one. So it will be multiplication. Then the divide this number by 2, you will get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, and 4 2s are 8. So what is the final answer? 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, if you multiply, this will give me the answer 1 by 4, because addition and multiplication is there, so multiplication should be solved first. So 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4, then take the first, the denominator should be equal, so multiply this number by 4 and this number by 5 by 5. So you will get 12 by 20 and 5 by 20. The answer will be 17 by 20. Okay. Now we'll see another one question. Here one bracket is there, another bracket is there, third bracket is there. So different operations are going on. So which operation I should solve first, from which the left to right. So this will be solved first, then this will be solved first, this will be solved first, right? So now you can see 220 minus 140 plus inside the bracket. This is inside the bracket. So this and this should be solved first. This is and this is the answer question. 10 multiplied by 9 and minus 2 multiplied by 5. So 10 multiplied by 9 is 90 and 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10. So 90 minus 10 will solve first here. This answer 220 minus 140, answer will be 80. So 80 plus 80 will give me 160. So this bracket is complete. This 100 we are keeping as it is. After that minus this 100 from 160, answer will be 60. I hope this is solved example from the this is the exercise only. In the exercise only you will get this, and finally you have to write down this answer. Okay, I hope you can understand, and with this one we have completed our chapter 5. So practice set number 25 and some examples from the solved examples also you have to solve. Okay, thank you.